Imagine a world where luxury meets adrenaline, where practicality fuses seamlessly with high-performance engineering. What if you could have a vehicle that delivers the thrill of a sports car while offering the comfort and versatility of an SUV? Meet the 2025 Porsche Cayenne GTS, a game-changer that defies expectations and sets a new benchmark for luxury performance SUVs. At the heart of the Cayenne GTS is a 4.0L twin-turbocharged V8 engine that roars to life with 493 horsepower and 487 lb-ft of torque. This is a 25 HP and 45 lb-ft increase over the Cayenne S, ensuring an adrenaline-pumping driving experience. But this isn't just about raw power. Porsche engineers have incorporated monoscroll turbochargers, electric wastegates, and high-pressure fuel injection to enhance both performance and fuel efficiency. The Cayenne GTS isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about mastering every curve with precision. The adaptive air suspension comes standard and lowers the ride height by 10 mm, sharpening handling and improving stability. Porsche has fine-tuned adaptive dampers to offer unparalleled body control during aggressive cornering, while negative camber on the front wheels, borrowed from the Cayenne Turbo GT, enhances steering response. The torque vectoring system further optimizes power distribution across the rear axle, delivering a sportier, rear-biased driving experience that truly comes alive in Sport and Sport Plus driving modes. The GTS Gran Turismo Sport designation is reserved for Porsche models that achieve the perfect balance between performance and everyday usability. The Cayenne GTS embodies this philosophy with features that are optional on the Cayenne S but standard here, including 21-inch wheels, an adaptive air suspension, and a sport exhaust system. To elevate the driving experience even further, the available lightweight sport package includes a carbon fiber roof, rear diffuser, and reduced sound deadening, offering an even purer, more visceral drive. A bold and aggressive exterior sets the Cayenne GTS apart. It boasts 21-inch Spider design wheels, tinted headlights and taillights, gloss black trim, and red-painted brake calipers, all reinforcing its high-performance DNA. Larger air intakes up front hint at the beast lurking under the hood, ensuring that it looks just as thrilling as it feels. The V8 powerhouse propels the Cayenne GTS from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs in its class. The 8-speed automatic transmission has been finely tuned for lightning-fast shifts, ensuring that you're always in the optimal power band. Steering is precise, responsive, and confidence-inspiring, giving you the feeling of a sports car wrapped in an SUV's body. Porsche's adaptive air suspension absorbs road imperfections while maintaining razor-sharp handling, offering the perfect blend of comfort and high-performance driving dynamics. And when you switch to Sport or Sport Plus mode, the GTS transforms into an aggressive powerhouse that begs to be pushed to its limits. The Sport exhaust system delivers a deep, rumbling idle and a thrilling roar at high revs. While some sound enhancement comes through the speakers, the authentic exhaust note alone is enough to send chills down your spine. Every rev reminds you that this is no ordinary SUV. It's a Porsche through and through. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that seamlessly blends high-end luxury with cutting-edge technology. The fully digital 12.7-inch instrument cluster, 12.3-inch infotainment system, and optional 10.9-inch passenger display keep you informed and entertained at all times. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay, ambient lighting, and premium sound systems ensure that every journey, whether short or long, is a first-class experience. The spacious cabin and generous cargo capacity make the Cayenne GTS a practical choice for families and individuals alike. Whether you choose the traditional SUV body style or the sleeker coupe variant, you'll never have to sacrifice comfort for performance. In the world of luxury performance SUVs, the 2025 Cayenne GTS goes head-to-head with the BMW X5M, Audi RSQ8, and Mercedes-AMG GLE 63. While some competitors might offer slightly higher horsepower or faster acceleration, the Cayenne GTS sets itself apart with an unparalleled driving experience. Porsche's legendary engineering precision and balance between power, agility, and everyday usability put it in a class of its own. The 2025 Porsche Cayenne GTS is not just an SUV, it's a masterpiece in motion. It celebrates thrilling performance, exquisite design, and cutting-edge technology, delivering an experience that few vehicles can replicate. Whether you're conquering winding mountain roads or gliding through city streets, the Cayenne GTS proves that excitement and practicality can coexist in perfect harmony. If you're looking for an SUV that redefines what's possible, this is the one. Are you ready to take the wheel and experience the extraordinary?